You wake up every day, scrolling, rushing, surviving. But deep inside you feel something is missing. Like life is moving too fast and you're just watching it pass by. If this sounds like you, stay here, because this might be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in a world that tells you to run faster but never shows you where to go. You spend hours comparing yourself to strangers on a screen, and every day feels like a copy of the last one. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy who spent every day chasing success. He worked harder than anyone else, but at night he felt empty. Why? Because he was running towards someone else's dream, not his own. Here's the truth no one tells you. Feeling lost is not a curse. It's a signal. It's your mind begging you to pause, breathe, and question where you're going. Life isn't about speed. It's about direction. If you feel lost right now, here's what to do. First, stop the noise. Take one day without social media and distractions. Second, write your truth. Ask yourself, what do I want, not what others expect? Third, start small. Build one habit that makes you proud every morning. That's it. No big plan. Just a simple start. One day you'll look back and realize this moment, this pain, is where your real life started. You're not behind. You're not a failure. You're just on the edge of your next chapter. If this message spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more life-changing truths. Your future self will thank you.